Okay, so the body parts are giving deoxygenated blood, means carbon dioxide rich blood to these vessels, and these vessels are collecting the impure blood and pouring that impure blood into the right auricle. This is what, children? Right auricle. Okay, so this right auricle is completely filled with which blood, children? Which blood? Deoxygenated blood or impure blood. Okay, and after that immediately this valve will be opened and the right auricle will transport or push that impure blood to right ventricle. Okay, so here in this right auricle and right ventricle, what type of blood is there? Impure blood is there. Impure blood means deoxygenated blood, and from this right ventricle, this impure blood will be transported to or pushed out to another blood vessel, and this blood vessel is carrying that impure blood to lungs for purification. So lungs are containing what gas, children? Oxygen gas. Through respiration process, they are taking oxygen gas now. So this impure blood will reach the lungs, and there it will combine with the oxygen and gets purified. And after that, this purified blood will be again come to these blood vessels, red color blood vessels, and from this these will come like this to left auricle. So left auricle is collecting the pure blood. Pure blood means oxygenated blood, and that oxygenated blood will be, whenever this auricle, left auricle is completely filled with the pure blood, the door will be opened, and from this left auricle to left ventricle it will push the blood, and left ventricle will collect the blood from the left auricle, and it is consisting of some more blood vessels. Those blood vessels will carry the pure blood from this left ventricle to all the other parts of the body. Okay, this is about your heart structure, children.